Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk through an interesting topic and the important topic as well. And the topic is how to go to a specific date in TradingView. So here actually you can see we are already in our TradingView.com. So if you want to see the specific date of our chart, you can just go to here, then click this 1 day. I will get the intervals for 1 day in 1 minute. Then if you can go with 5 day, you can see the chart for 1 week, 3 week, 3, 6 week and year also. But if you want to select the specific date, you just need to go over here into this playlist and select this one, and then you can set your custom range or you can select any custom date here. Just click this one and just click to the go to. Once you click over here, then eventually you will get the options here to see the specific date chart over that place. I hope you understand how easy the process was. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.